initial confusion was like a child going to a new classroom. So we had to kind of figure out where our seats were. So it is a similar kind of an enthusiasm. There's a sudden ray of hope. There's this sudden window that has opened out for us. So till today, from the day we decided to join the MDA, there has been no turning back. A lot of our work which was pending, a lot of our issues which were unattended for so many years have suddenly gotten all the attention. So I believe in the heart of my hearts that I did the right thing, that I did no wrong in deciding to go the MDA way. And to my understanding of this very complex situation at this point of time, following the suspension, the first thing that comes to my head is that, okay, as an MLA, it has always been a positive gain. Now, about my political stand, that is something which I'm trying to, renew, think about, decide. So it's not been easy. It will not be easy. But I have a very peculiar campaign model, which is unique to myself, where I go every door and I ask my people what is the way forward. So I know that whatever decision I take 6 months down the line, it will be in consent and with the blessings of my people. But yeah, first day was a little unusual, like I said, like a new kid going to a new classroom. I was literally looking for my seat and saying, okay, where am I going to be sitting in this entire new arrangement? But it has been a pleasant experience this far. I've been able to reach out through many departments, taking issues that were left pending by me as an MLA. So I'm happy. And yes, there's no harm in saying I'm looking forward to this new partnership.